All right, we're tooling down the Buffalo River. There goes Big Dig Dog Tim. Having a good time?
Having a great time.
Boy, this is a beautiful river, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
It's still. Of course, we got to go through some shoals. But it looks like it's going to be a good clear water day. As clear as it's going to get anyway. But we're going to check out these swimming holes these kayakers use and see if we can find anything. All right, stand by. Well, we're digging out here in the river. Got Ron Reed over there. Tim, he's underwater. Just got me a baby infield. Look at there. I believe that's what she is. Looks like it to me. All right, all right, all right. Go back down and get some more. Hey, Tim said he's got like a 74 on the Garrett, going down after it. Hold your breath.
Hold your breath. Fired or dropped?
Fired. Let's take a look at it. He may have another down there.
You may.
Yep. See the rings on it.
Fired and mangled.
Uh-huh. You're going. You're right. They are here.
They're here.
I gotta find me one.
Hey, so we just finished up with Jimmy Crossbones, Tim, out the river. Long day.
Long day, about 8 hours, wasn't it?
Yeah, sure.
Easy.
But it was nice. It was relaxing. It was cool.
Cool. Felt good.
So we'll just go on down. This is stuff I got. I got a rat tail file. Those square nuts, those always be off carriages or something. Not sure. Different iron. Thought this was pretty cool. And Jimmy just mentioned that might actually be like a Rains guide right there, and then the leather strap or a strap goes through here, you know. But I'm gonna do some more research on that. Some cast iron. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I count 5 3-ringers. Piece of 3-ringer. 3 round balls from the Civil War. Got a rimfire round, that was cool. Nickel, some homemade weights, which is always, I like them. Mr. Jimmy here, man, he got himself a nice wash tub handle. Fishing weights. I got some too, don't forget, man. Try and count them. But you get a couple pennies,
A couple memorials.
couple memorials. We're not too sure about this one, man. So we're gonna have to do some research on that. I'm gonna actually get a good picture here so that I can look it up. I'm not sure if that's post-war or Civil War. Civil War, Civil War, Civil War, Civil War. He got some Civil War, man. He got some 3 ringers, fired pistol balls. Good deal. Mr. Tim, he got a bunch of, look at all them weights, man. Right there.
Start counting quick.
Start counting. He got some geodes.
Yep.
That's always cool. Some various iron. I'm not sure what those are.
3 of them stacked up, whatever.
Mason
they are.
jar. Enter.
Yeah. Oh, part of a hoe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, part of a hoe.
hoe.
This is pretty cool. Old fishing reel. That's pretty cool. Horseshoe like normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know. That's almost a full one. We'll say 7 3 ringers and various parts of 3 ringers. You got some pistol balls as well.
A little bit of bling.
Yep, a little bit of bling. So have to check it out, man. Maybe it's a real diamond, man.
Maybe.
Some
Most of the
clad,
silver.
some fishing lures. But we had a good day, had fun, and we'll catch you all on the next one.
Enjoyed it.
We'll see you.
Enjoyed it. That's a wrap.